Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. In this video we are discussing about trigonometry. We are in exercise 3.2. So let us have a discussion the question here. Find the values of other trigonometric functions. The first question is cos x equal to minus 1 by 2. X lies in the third quadrant. So first other coordinate means remaining trigonometric ratios we need to calculate. So cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. That implies sin x equal to root over 1 minus cos square x. Not only identities dear students, but also we can find some questions I will do with the identities, some questions I will do with the right angle triangle concept. So which is equal to root over 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square. So root over 1 by 4. So which is equal to 4 minus 1, 3 divided by 4, which is equal to root 3 by 2. So sin x value you got as root 3 by 2. Okay, dear students. Next, other trigonometric ratio, sin by cos, tan x equal to. So root 3 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. So which is equal to minus root 3. To get the answer, minus root 3. Okay. Sin x by cos x, dear students, we are writing. Next, cot x also, reciprocal. Cot x equal to 1 by tan x. 1 by minus root 3. So cot x also minus 1 by root 3, we got it. Next, tan cot is over. Next, secant. Secant x is equal to reciprocal of cos only, no? So it is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2. Next, reciprocal of sine, cosecant x equal to 1 by sin x. So sin x we got 1 by root 3 by 2, that is equal to 2 by root 3. Here we observe that what are positive in this? Cosecant is positive and sine is positive. So sin x value, cosecant x value positive. Rest of them is negative. So we observe that. So the values what we got that I am drawing here, writing. So other trigonometric ratios, 1, 2, this is the given information. So by observing this data, dear students, sin x, cosecant x are positive. Rest of them is negative. Therefore, x belongs to third quadrant dimension. Sorry. So third quadrant dimension is based on that we will change it. So where is the duster? So based on that, x lies in the third quadrant dimension now. So in third quadrant, sign is negative. So you put minus. Obviously, tan will come as positive. So x belongs to quadrant 3. Next, cot is also positive. Secant x will come negative. Good. Next, cosecant is also getting negative. Minus, no? Minus. So, minus. So, from the data, cos x, what are positive in this? Tan and cot only? Tan x, cot x are positive. Rest all negative. Okay, dear students, this is the way we can calculate. So first question is over. Next we'll go for second question. Go to next question. Sin x equal to 3 by 5 and x lies in second quadrant. So based on the observation, dear students, sign is positive. X belongs to second quadrant. X belongs to quadrant 2. That implies what are positive in this? Sine and cosecant are positive, and rest all tan, cot, secant, cos or negative, these values. Okay, dear students, one by one we will calculate. This is by using right angle triangle I will approach. So this is x, dear students. Absolutely second quadrant means this is the way you can go. So 3 by 5, opposite is 3, hypotenuse is 5. So obviously this is the negative side of x-axis origin, so minus 4. I hope you understand it is negative x-axis x dash x y dash y origin. Okay. From this data, cos x equal to cos x definition adjacent side by hypotenuse minus 4 by 5. In second quadrant, I already mentioned here what are positive, what are negative. Next, tan x opposite by adjacent side, so minus 3 by 4. Next, cot x adjacent side by hypotenuse minus 4 by 3. Next, secant x. Secant x means what? Adjacent side by, hypotenuse by adjacent side, minus 5 by 4. Reciprocal of cos itself, dear students. And cos x, sin cos, tan, what? All is over now? No, one more is there. Cosecant, reciprocal of cosecant x. Cosecant x means what? Hypotenuse by opposite side, 5 by 3. So from this data, sine and cosecant are positive. Cosecant is positive, sine is also positive, rest of them is negative. Okay, students, we got it. We'll move to another question. Yeah, we'll move to next question. Yeah, tell me that third one. Cot x, tell loudly. Cot x equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 4, tell loudly. 3 by 4 and x lies between, x lies in third quadrant. Dear students, first we decide what are positive, what are negative according to the question. X lies in third quadrant, x belongs to quadrant 3. So in quadrant 3, what trigonometric ratios are positive? Tan x and cot x are positive. Okay, the rest of them, sin x, cos x, secant x, cosecant x are negative. So here also I will approach right angle to triangle concept, dear students. But third quadrant now. So this is the way we can third quadrant, x lies in third quadrant. Yes. So what are cot x is given as 3 by 4. So angle I am taking Here it is x 3 by 4 adjacent. This is a for angle opposite. Here I need to draw that. Definition of cot x. Adjacent side by opposite side. Tan is what? Opposite by adjacent side. Cot means tan x definition. So 3, 4 means Pythagorean triples 3, 4, 5 by using right angle to triangle. Tan x equal to opposite by adjacent side 4 by 3. So tan and cot both are positive. We got it. Next, from this data, sin x. So 4 it is in negative direction now. So you can take as minus the students. So not this one. This is 3. 3 is in the negative direction. Third quadrant. Even this 4 also negative direction. Why? Because it is traveling in this way. Minus 4. So sin x opposite by hypotenuse minus 4 by 5. Next cos x adjacent side by hypotenuse minus 3 by 5. Okay. Sin cos is over. Next secant. Secant x reciprocal of cos 1 by cos x simply 1 by minus 3 by 5, that is equal to minus 5 by 3. Next cosecant x reciprocal of sin 1 by sin x 1 by minus 4 by 5, that is equal to minus 5 by 4. Okay dear students, I hope you understand. X belongs to third quadrant and rest of them. Tan and cot both are positive and rest of them is negative. We'll go to next question. Okay, I'll wrap up and I'll go to next question. Yeah, tell me. Next question number 4. Secant x equal to 13 by 5 and x lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant means the figure will come like this, dear students. This is the x. This is negative direction. So secant x. Secant x reciprocal is cos x. It will be 5 by 13 no? Cos definition. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So 5, 13 means Pythagorean triples 12. It is in negative direction of y-axis. So it will be minus 12. Okay. So x belongs to quadrant 4. That implies secant x, cos x are positive. Next, sin, tan, cosecant, cot are negative. So sin x, cos x is over now from this. Sin x equal to, from this figure, opposite by hypotenuse minus 12 by 13. Next, cos is already over. Next, tan x opposite by adjacent side minus 12 by 5. Next, cosecant reciprocal of sin only no. So minus 13 by 12 reciprocal of this value. Next, cot x reciprocal of tan x minus 5 by 12. So we got it the answer, dear students. Okay. Yes, we'll move to question number 5. I'm going to run this. For this question number 5, tan x equal to minus 5 by 12 and x lies in quadrant 2. Directly I am writing like this, quadrant 2. Okay, dear students. X belongs to quadrant 2. That implies that sin x and cosecant x are positive. The rest of them is negative. That means tan, cot, cos, secant are negative. So here tan x is there, secant square x minus, here I am going with identities, either identities or right angle triangle. Based on the quadrant also we can go, dear students. So here I am better to go with the figure only itself. Right, the second quadrant, no, this is the second quadrant. So the figure I am drawing like this. Here the angle is x. Tan definition. Tan definition is what? Opposite by adjacent side. Opposite is what here? 5. Adjacent side is 12. This is the negative direction, so it will be minus 12. So by using Pythagoras triples, 12, 5 is there, means obviously hypotenuse is 13. So from this data, first we have to write tan x is given minus 5 by 12. That implies cot x, reciprocal of tan. So minus 12 by 5. Okay, dear students. Next, sin x equal to, sin x definition, sin is positive. Opposite by hypotenuse. That means 5 by 12. The reciprocal of sin, cosecant. So it will be 12 by 5, reciprocal of sin. Okay, dear students. Next, cos x. Cos x is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse minus 12 by 13. Reciprocal of cos is secant. Secant x equal to minus 13 by 12. That's it. Sin, cosecant positive, rest all negative. I hope you understand this, students. We'll move on to another question. Next question number 6. In the trigonometry one or separate question solve? 6. So sin 765 degrees. See, dear students, how to write is sin of 765 in multiples of 360 you have to write it. This can be done as 760 plus 5 degrees. Am I right? Sorry, 720 plus 45 degrees. Is it possible to write or not? 765 is 720 plus 45. So we can write it as 7 sin times sin of 2 times of 360 degrees plus 45 degrees. This complete revolution 2 pi. This is 2 pi 360. One complete revolution. Like this, how many times? 1 time, 2 times. Plus is there means first quadrant only, no? So in first quadrant, sin is positive and 360 is even multiple of 90. It will be same trigonometry function will come sin 45 degrees. Theta is 45. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Therefore the value of sin 765 value is 1 by root 2. Next, go for next question. Question number 7. Cosecant of minus 1410 degrees. See, here also you have to 360 3 times is 1080. It will be, dear students. Okay, 1080. So 1410 1080. If you subtract 11 minus 3 is 11 minus 8 is 3. Here 330 will come. So what we have to do is cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. So minus cosecant of 1410 degrees. 1410 degrees, how to write is minus cosecant of 3 times of 360 degrees. That means 1080 plus 360 degrees, 330 degrees. If it is not possible, what we can do is 4 times you can write it, dear students. This is better to do that. 1440 is very easy. So 4 times of 360 is 1440, but we want 1410. So just you have to subtract 30 degrees. Okay, dear students. 4 times of 360. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 times of 360 minus 30 means it will be in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cosecant is negative. Already minus is there. Minus of minus. 4 times of 360 is even multiple of 90. So for cosecant only it comes. Here degree is what? Theta is 30 degrees. Minus into minus is plus. Cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 degrees equal to 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cosecant 30 is 1 by 1 by 2. It is 2. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. We'll move on to another question. Yeah, next. Question number 8. Tan
19 pi by 2.
19
Pi by 2.
pi by 2.
3.
Pi by 3. See here, 19 by 3 means 3 6 are 18. 1 is remaining now. So we can write it as tan of 3 pi plus pi by 6. Am I right? Is it possible to write or not? Check once. 3 pi plus pi by 6. 3 pi's, 18 pi. 18 pi plus pi, 19 pi. 19 pi by 6. So not 6. This is 18, no? 18 pi. Here I want to get 3. So 3 times means 3 pi. 3 4s are 3 5, 3 6 are 18. That is correct one. 3 6 are 18 plus
6 pi plus pi by 3.
18 means 1 will come. Otherwise, here 6 pi by, this is correct one. 6 pi plus pi by 3. 18 pi plus pi. So 6 pi means like this. Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi. 6 pi plus is there. It will be in the first quadrant. In first quadrant, tan positive and 6 pi is even multiple of 90. Tan only will come. Theta is pi by 3. So that is equal to tan pi by 3 means 60 degrees. 180 by 3. Tan 60, root 3. Next, go for next question. Question number 9. Sin
minus 11 pi by
minus 11 pi by 3. So first sign of minus theta is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta means 11 pi by 3. Even same procedure you have to follow, dear students. 11 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 will be remaining. Otherwise, 12 minus 11 also we can do. So based on the situation you can do it. So what I am doing is, otherwise, here 11 is there, no, 3 4s are 12. Here there is no, but 12 minus 11 is 1 will come up. That also we can do. Sign of 2 possibilities I will make it. According to this, 3 pi plus 2 pi by 3. This is one possibility. Generally we cannot write like this. Why? Because more than 90 degrees after plus we cannot write that. So better suggestion is this one. We can do like this. 4 pi minus pi by 3. This is correct one. 12 pi minus pi is 11 pi. Pi by 3 is less than 90 only. Minus 4 pi. Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. 4 pi minus means fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant sign is negative. Minus 4 pi is even multiple of 90. So sign is sign only. Theta is pi by 3. So minus of minus is plus. Sin pi by 3. Sin 60 degrees. Sin 60. Root 3 by 2. We'll move to another question, dear students. Question number 10. It is the last question in this exercise. Part of
minus 15 pi
minus 15 pi
by 4.
by 4. Like last problem, what we had here, 11 pi by 3, no? Similarly, here 15. But before, after 15, 16 will come. 16 is divisible by 4 easily. See, what I am going to do is 16, for the 16, 0 will come a remainder, but 15 is there means, first cot of minus theta is minus cot theta, minus cot 15 pi by 4. So, which is equal to minus cot of, what I am writing is 4 pi minus pi by 4. 4 the 16, 16 pi minus pi is 15 pi by 4. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. A little above I wrote. Okay. Yeah. See, cot of 15 pi by 4, 4 pi minus pi by 4. So, which is equal to minus 4 pi means like previous one, fourth quadrant it comes. Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi minus. 4 pi minus means fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cot is negative. So, minus cot, this is even multiple of 90 means cot only will come, pi by 4. Which is equal to cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 means cot 45. That value is 1. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. In my free time, I was little busy last month. And not only last month, 1.5 month back also. Little busy. In my free times, I will come regularly and I will finish it 11th class and 12th class concepts now onwards. Thank you for your support. Jai Hind, Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. Those who are watching first time, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.